Hey there! Have you ever walked into a living room that just felt perfect? The furniture flows effortlessly, the space feels open yet cozy, and every detail is just right. Now, imagine trying to recreate that in your own home, only to realize the sofa is too big, the coffee table is in the way, and there's an awkward, empty corner you have no idea how to fill. Frustrating, right? That's where Foyr Neo makes all the difference. With Foyr Neo, you can create a 3D living room floor plan in minutes, giving you a clear vision of your space before making any changes. No more measuring and hoping everything fits. Just drag, drop, and see it all come together in real time. One of the best parts? Foyr Neo's massive library of over 60,000 plus 3D models. From sofas and coffee tables to rugs, lighting, and decor, you have everything you need to experiment with different layouts and styles. Want to see how a sectional looks versus a set of armchairs? Just swap them out instantly. And because everything is to scale, you can be sure it fits your space perfectly. Need inspiration? No worries. Foyr Neo offers pre-designed templates that help you get started quickly. Whether you love a modern minimalist vibe, a cozy bohemian setup, or something bold and contemporary, these templates give you a strong starting point, and you can tweak them to match your vision. And it's not just about furniture placement. Lighting can completely change the feel of your living room. With Foyr Neo, you can test different lighting placements to see how natural and artificial light interact. Maybe a statement chandelier over the seating area? Or some soft wall sconces for a warm, inviting feel? You can visualize it all before making a final decision. Textures and materials matter too. With Neo's extensive material selection, you can test different flooring, wall colors, and furniture fabrics to see how they all come together. Want to know if a marble coffee table works better than a wooden one? Or if a bold accent wall makes the space pop? You can try it all without lifting a finger in real life. And the best part? You can switch between 2D and 3D views. So you're not just looking at a blueprint, you're virtually walking through your future living room. It's like stepping into your dream space before it even exists. So if you're tired of guessing, second guessing, and constantly rearranging furniture, Foyr Neo takes the guesswork out of designing. With its 3D models, templates, real-time rendering, and material selection, you get a stress-free way to bring your vision to life, beautifully and effortlessly. And the best part? You can try Foyr Neo free for 14 days. Click the link in the description and start designing your dream living room today.